to be demoing a fountain today, a big fountain, 500 gram fountain, one that I've not heard of or seen before. It's called Txas Cowboy. It's spelled a little strange, but that's by T-Sky Fireworks. I've had a few T-Sky products in the past. They actually have kicked ass, to be honest. But anyway, the effects are as follows. Over 125 seconds long duration in this 350 gram fountain. I apologize. I thought it was 500 grams, and I'll show you why. With most variety of effects all in this one. The reason I thought it was 500 grams is because 500 grams. So, who knows? 500 grams, 350 grams, it's a big fountain. I'm expecting a good duration out of it, like the performance said there. Looks like it has, it's a weird kind of configuration. It goes 443 there. But yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty sweet. And yeah, artwork is kind of interesting, anime style. I'm not really sure what's going on there, but let's see how this thing does.